what we're doing, but it's okay.
All right, so we are going to install a plug-in for our Christmas lights into the eave of the house. On my other house that burned down, I had them on all four corners, and that's how we designed it when we built it. So we're going to put one right here so we can plug our Christmas lights in. It's that time of the year.
Should I get the saw?
No, we don't need that. So we get this box from our old house, and we're going to trace it up there and cut the hole, and then go from there.
I'll get the marker.
I got a marker.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to move.
I wanted to do it.
It's too wobbly up there.
Can I use the saw?
No, it's electric. No.
I'm very scared I'm gonna cut off my finger.
I am scared you'll cut off your finger.
I've been using saws like half my life.
Yeah, well. Doesn't make me.
CT is strict. I'll smack him with
Sorry, I don't let my 6-year-old use an electric saw.
I'll smack you with the poop scooper.
Put that down. Don't make it. Put it down.
I don't know if it's just raining doo-doo, but...
You want a lot of things for Christmas.
It looks kind of funky.
Or move out from underneath me.
Yeah.
Alright. Careful. There you go. Perfect. It can stay up there.
No, stick the GoPro up there.
I'm not going to stick the GoPro up there. Come on. You want that?
Yes.
Watch out. The fuzzy stuff on the back, wipe it off.
What is the
Perfect.
fuzz?
All right, come on, go. Walk to where we have the wire.
I don't know where the wire is, but you know where it is.
Yeah.
Hi! That's my mom.
Come on.
Christmas stuff?
No.
Wire!
Back up a little bit. So we got enough wire for our project.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go.
It's my first time using it.
Yeah, I know. I need to turn it off so the screen doesn't turn off. Oh, it's raining. Hey, we'll have to continue this project tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. I'm going to try to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to feed the wire over that OSB into the attic, and then I can pull it through in the attic while I'm up there. So that's my plan. Put a little hook on it. Maybe not that much. Alright, I got it over. Just gotta get it up there enough so I can grab it and it not to fall down. We're gonna go with that. Hopefully it works. I got it ran to the GFCI. think I've said this before, but I'm reusing these boxes from my fire damaged house. And these were the ones that were up on the eaves on my other house. So no sense in buying new stuff if the house is just gonna get knocked down. So, taking the cut wires off from this plug-in. That's why I always cut myself. Never careful. Installing the ground right now. Install the neutral. Now we will install the common wire, so the power wire. Snug everything up. Throw our electrical tape. Throw some electrical tape on it. done. Clean the spider webs out of here. Bugs and whatever else. And the only thing left to do is to plug these lights in. Looks like everything works and we can enjoy the rest of the day.